Hi, welcome to Answers Q. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about a free online learning platform, Gymnasium. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the social media link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So Gymnasium is an online learning platform where you can get full-length courses and short courses on different topics like web development, design, UX, and content creation, and a lot more. So now let's see what are the courses available for free in Gymnasium first. You can see here courses, just click on it. And in this page, you can find all the full-length courses and gym shorts that are short courses offered by Gymnasium. And Take 5 is just video tutorials by Gymnasium. So in this page, you can find all the content of Gymnasium. First, let's see what are the full courses available for free in Gymnasium. First one is coding for designers. So you'll be learning about HTML basics, CSS basics, Bootstrap, and a lot more. And second one is jQuery building blocks. And here are the skills covered: JavaScript, HTML, CSS again, and UX fundamentals. So you'll be learning about user research, wireframing and prototyping, user testing, and a lot more. And fourth one is information design and visualization fundamentals. You'll be learning about visual design principles, interactive design principles, mapping and charting tools, JavaScript foundations. So you'll be learning about JavaScript also, and programming basics. And next one is writing for web and mobile. So skills covered are online writing strategies, content first, UX design, audience research. Next one is modern web design. So in this course, you will be learning about HTML markup using CSS as a design tool, adding interactivity with JavaScript and jQuery survival guide. And skills covered are developer tools, events and event handlers, manipulating HTML and CSS with jQuery. And the next one is responsive web design fundamentals. So you'll be learning about strategic thinking about responsive process, page layout structure with HTML and CSS, and a lot more. So these are the full-length courses that are available for free in Gymnasium. You can also get a free certificate. Now let's see what are the short courses available in Gymnasium. So if you scroll down, you can see here gym shorts. So these are short courses. These short courses are nothing different from the full-length courses except the duration. The duration of short courses will be around 1 hour. And you can also get a free batch after completing the course. You can see here. Each includes approximately 1 hour of video instruction and a final exam and a batch when you pass. So after completing the course, you have to take an exam and you will receive a badge for gym shorts that are short courses. And for full-length courses, you will receive a certificate. Let me show it. So here it is. Each includes 3 to 6 hours of video instruction, optional quizzes and assignments, a final exam and certificate when you pass. So you will get a certificate after completing the full-length courses and badge for completing the short courses. Let's see what are the short courses available. Defeating busy. The skills covered are project estimation, time tracking, team client communication skills, and a lot more. Next one is grid layout in Bootstrap 3, creating a WordPress theme, introducing Sketch for UX and UI, introduction to Git and GitHub. Skills covered are version control, project workflow, collaborative coding. And next one is structuring and organizing HTML5 forms. Next one is advanced rapid prototyping. Skills covered are interactive prototyping, basics of programming logic, user flows, and a lot more. Next one is creating a Drupal 8 theme. And next one is build better websites with Chrome developer tools, introduction to Node.js, and 3D modeling for virtual reality creation, working with Atomic Design and Pattern Lab, prototyping for digital products and websites, designing accessible and responsive websites. So these are all the short courses that are available for free in Gymnasium. You can get a free batch after completing each course in Gymnasium. In addition to the full-length courses and short courses, Gymnasium also offers some video tutorials. You can see here Take 5, just click on it. It will take you to video tutorials here. So they have given different topics and video tutorials for all the things. You can just click on watch now and watch the videos and learn something about the topics. And for video tutorials, there are a lot of different topics from web design to career development. You can see it here. Topics range from web design to career development. Some hands-on videos involve working with prototyping tools such as Sketch, Figma, and Adobe XD, along with HTML and CSS. So these are video tutorials, short video tutorials. You can make use of this. So in Gymnasium website, you have short video tutorials and you have short courses for which you can receive a free batch after completing the course and taking the exam. And for full length courses, you can receive certificates. Now let's see how to enroll in a course. So before enrolling in a course in Gymnasium, we have to create an account in it. So you can see here login, just click on it. And if you already have an account in Gymnasium, you can just give your email and password and log into your account. And if you're coming here for the first time, you can see here create an account at the bottom, just click on it. And now you can create an account in Gymnasium with LinkedIn profile, or you have to give details like email, name, and create a password for your account and click on create your account. So let me log into my account and catch up later. Once you create an account in Gymnasium, you will see this, you are almost there. Before you enroll in a course, you need to activate your account. We have sent an email message. So you will get a mail like this from Gymnasium. You have to just click on this link and activate your account in Gymnasium. So now you can see here account activated. Thanks for activating your account. Visit your dashboard to see your courses. So just click on dashboard here. And now we are in the account dashboard, and now let's see how to enroll in a course. So just click on explore courses. You will be directed to the Gymnasium course catalog page and choose any course that you want to enroll in. So let me enroll in this one, UX Fundamentals. So you can click on here, learn more, and see further details of the courses. And here it is. Here is the course preview, and they have given few lines about this course, and here is the course outline, like what are the lessons you will be learning and prerequisites and requirements, everything is given. You can just look into it. So you can see here a get started button, just click on it. So that's it. Now we have enrolled in the course UX Fundamentals, and you can see all the courses in which you are enrolling in your dashboard. And after completing the courses, you can download your certificate for free, and you can share it on your LinkedIn profile or any other social media that you like. And if you don't like any course, you can use the unenroll option here. Just click on it and unenroll from the course that you don't like. So this is the content for this video. Gymnasium is offering a lot of different courses on website development. There are full-length courses, short courses that are called Gym Shorts, and they are also providing some short video tutorials. You can just click on Take 5 and watch those video tutorials. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can also connect with me on Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the social media link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.